everyone, my name is Dani Kurniawan. Today I will show you the correct way to wash your hands to stay healthy and carefree. Let's get started. Your hands we clean. Running water. Apply enough soap to cover all hand surfaces. Rub your palms together to create lather. Scrub the back of your hands between your fingers and under your nails for at least 20 seconds. Rinse your hands well under clean running water. Your hands completely using a clean towel or air dryer.